Social media has become the nervous system of the modern world.
The nervous system of the modern world.
It informs us, connects us, moves ideas across continents in seconds. Without it, much of today's society would struggle to function. But power, without discipline, always comes at a cost.
But power, without discipline, always comes at a cost.
Over time, something subtle happened. We began consuming more information than the human mind was ever designed to process. We scroll without intention. We compare without awareness. And slowly, our focus weakens. Our confidence erodes. Our peace becomes fragmented. Science confirms what many already feel. Excessive social media use is linked to anxiety, shortened attention spans, sleep disruption, and distorted self-image. Not because the platforms are evil, but because attention has become the product. The problem is not social media. The problem is unconscious use. So how do intelligent people use it without harming themselves? First, they set boundaries. They decide when to connect instead of being available at all times. Second, they curate their environment. They consume content that informs, educates, and strengthens the mind. They remove what drains energy, fuels comparison, or creates emotional noise. Third, they separate self-worth from digital feedback, likes, views, comments. These are signals for algorithms, not measurements of human value. And finally, they protect silence. They disconnect before sleep. They stay present during work and with the people who matter, because clarity cannot exist in constant noise. Social media is a tool. Used wisely, it expands opportunity. Used carelessly, it quietly steals time, focus, and potential. In a world engineered to capture attention, discipline is not optional, it is survival. The future will not belong to those who scroll endlessly. It will belong to those who know when to stop.